Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to watch movies on Plex. So it's pretty simple, so let's jump right into the video. Open your Plex application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're inside the main home page, you can go ahead and scroll through the library and select the movie you'd like to watch and simply give it a tap to play it on. You can also use the search icon at the top right hand corner. Simply give it a tap and then search for the movie you'd like to watch. From the search result, go ahead and find the movie you are trying to watch and then tap on it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the description and other information for the movie. Now go ahead and tap on the play button and then you will be able to watch your favorite movie. So that is how you can easily watch a movie on Plex. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.